welcome to Motor Style. This time I want to present the new powerful and definitive 2022 Benelli TRK 502. Updates for 2022 new colors. TRK 502X is available in yellow, white, red, blue and gray. The TRK 502X is designed to overcome all riding conditions known to man or motorbike, charging through mud, sand, and asphalt with equal abandon. With increased ground clearance and off-road specific wheels and tires, as well as the same strong liquid-cooled 500cc twin-cylinder engine found in the basic model TRK, the X invites you to cross the line and go into unexplored territory. The TRK 502X combines a robust and durable two-cylinder inline engine with liquid cooling and a double overhead camshaft with the road version, which when paired with such a sleek frame makes this bike both exciting and simple to operate. At 8,500 revolutions per minute, the maximum engine output is 47.6 horsepower, 35 kilowatts, while the maximum torque is 46 Newton-meters. It has a wet sump lubrication system, a wet multiplane clutch, and a 6-speed transmission with a final chain drive. The trellis frame with steel plates ensures dependability regardless of the circumstances.